Morning to all my dear students. Today we are going to study a poem on the grasshopper and cricket written by John Keats. All of you take your English textbook for the class. Let us go to the class. Students, I hope that all of you are ready for the class. You have to take the page number 122 on the grasshopper and cricket written by John Keats. Unlike the ant and the cricket, page number 21 you have to refer, which tells a story. This is a nature poem. In it, the grasshopper and the cricket do not appear as a character in a story. Rather, they act as symbols, each suggesting something else. Read the poem and notice how the poetry of earth keeps on through summer and winter in never-ending song. Let us go to the poem. The poetry of earth is never dead. When all the birds are faint with the hot sun and hide in cooling trees, a voice will run from hedge to hedge about a new mown mate. That is the grasshopper's. He takes the lead. In summer luxury, he has never done with his delights, for when tried out with fun, he resists at ease beneath some pleasant wheels. The poetry of earth is ceasing never on the long winter evening when the frost has brought a silent from storm their shrill, the cricket's song in warmth increasing ever, and seems to one in drowsiness half lost, the grasshopper among some grassy hills. In this nature poem draws attention to musical notes of birds and insect going on forever. This music is provided by grasshopper on the hot summer noon and by the cricket in cold winter. Thus, every season has its own kind of joy and music. On the hot summer day, the birds seek shelter in the cool shade of trees. But it is time for merely making for the grasshopper. He flies from one fence to another, singing all the time. When he is weary of singing, he rests under some wild plants. The birds remain silent and hide in winter. Also, on the frosty day, there is utter silence on all sides. Then suddenly, the silence is broken by song of cricket. Its voice comes from peals of stars. Thus, the music of the earth is